This is a one owner 2009 Honda Odyssey. It seats 8, has a clean title. The Carfax report will confirm it's one owner, has no accidents or damage being reported. You can check out the Carfax by visiting www.onyxautosales.net. I will show you the back when I get around to the other side of the car. Right now it's too icy to walk around. There's the tread on the tires. We'll go inside now. Nice automatic door there. It is a tan leather interior. There are no rips, stains, or tears anywhere. There's the back. You can stay nice and warm during the winter time with dual climate control, rear air control, and heated seats. There are no lights on. Here's your buttons to open the door. See, I just show you in a second. I opened the other side. If you are looking for a van that seats 8, come on in to Onyx Auto Sales in Logan, Utah, and take this out for a test drive. There's the back that I couldn't show you earlier. And it has a tow package. I don't know if you saw that. There it is. Okay. So purchase your next vehicle from Onyx Auto Sales and you will drive away smiling with a full tank of gas. Onyx Auto Sales. Let's rock.